Hi, I'm Dan Conway, and I'm the Extreme Job Hunter. I do crazy stunts to try and get a job. Vitamins Direct called me. Who are Vitamins Direct? A 30-plus-year-old vitamins and supplement company who deliver straight to your door for less than shop prices. They called me up and asked if they could sponsor me for a day to take over their company. I walked in, took over, and made big changes. Vitamins aren't boring anymore. They're not just for old people trying to hang on to dear life. Vitamins are epic. Just like this fat boy screams yes when he gets a burger. Yes! When you take vitamins, your body screams yes! Inside. They've got vitamins and supplements for almost everyone. You sir with the dodgy bowels. Oh. They've got something for that. Oh yes. You sir who can't get up in bed anymore. They've got something for that.
Yes! Donald, that's the 5th time you've left the toilet seat up today.
You, the moody wife. They've got something for that too. Yes! And not forgetting Fat Boy over here. They've got something to help you lose a few spare tyres too. Yeah! It's simple. Go to vitaminsdirectonline.co.uk, purchase the product you want, and bang, delivered straight to your door. No trips to the shops, no driving around. Plus, they use PayPal, so shopping online with Vitamins Direct is the safest way in 2 condoms and taking the pill all at the same time. So what the hell are you waiting for? Visit vitaminsdirectonline.co.uk, spend all your life savings and max out all those credit cards and make your body scream, yes!